Lord Orochimaru. The jutsu that helped Kabuto to change his mind. Izanami, what kind of a jutsu is it?
It's one of the visual jutsu passed down by the Uchiha clan. Once you get stuck inside it, you'll never be able to get free until you change how you think. No, until you change your heart itself. You'll be stuck in the same infinite loop until you accept your mistakes.
I've been in the wrong for so long. I foolishly believed that I could do anything as long as I transformed into something other than myself. But then Itachi taught me that was a mistake. But I was afraid of my own failure, so I just kept running away, never accepting it. Still, it wasn't something I could accept immediately. After going through that loop, over and over and over again, I'm perfect.
Don't you see? You're nowhere near perfect.
Itachi Uchiha! I just need to allow for everything I lack. There shouldn't have been. There must be a way to escape from this loop. Sage Art scattering rage! Considering it, there's nothing I can do. This is the power of Lord Orochimaru! I became Lord Orochimaru's replacement. A perfect being. So then, why? Whoops! Sage Art, white extreme attack! Sage Art, inorganic animation! I really am too strong. Alright. Think again. Sage. If I defeat you, then I can escape this loop. This is the... That's not it. I saw just how wrong that is so many times. Damn it. Caesar, white exp... I told you. Caesar, white exp... Whoops. All right. Here I come. Caesar, white extreme... Caesar, white extreme attack! I won! No, don't tell me this is a loop! Sage Art, inorganic animation! I really am too strong. I thought I defeated him. It's looping again? What did I do wrong? I thought I was perfect.
Don't you see? You're nowhere near perfect.
If the perfect me is the real me, then an imperfect me isn't me. So, what am I right now? After going through the loop over and over, my mind started to deteriorate. I was unable to come to a conclusion and lost all confidence. I don't understand. It felt like various memories were spilling out from inside me. But there was one memory that never faded away. A memory from when I was a child, when I truly felt at peace. At that moment, in that place, I really existed as Kabuto. No matter how much my appearance changes, that memory will never change, and neither will my name. I've always been the same. Ever since then, I've always been Kabuto. It was so simple, yet I couldn't understand it, and just kept repainting myself with other people. Then, when I finally realized that,
I was freed from the jutsu. I see. Wonderful.